Hey guys, this is Mr. Unusables, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to lock chests and doors and stuff with signs. It's pretty easy. All you have to do is make a sign that says private with brackets and it locks itself. Or, much easier, you can just place a sign in front of the chest. It does all that, but yeah, you can do this on chests, double chests, doors, dispensers, furnace, enchantment table, and trapdoors. So it's pretty easy. No one else can open these chests except for you. So yeah. If you like this video, please thumb it up, and thank you for watching.